5 reasons I quit my job for car detailing. Most people think you need thousands of dollars and years of training to escape a 9-to-5. You don't. I've helped over 200 people build a successful business. And in my 3rd month of running my car detailing business, when I had an actual system, I made $27,000 in a single month. I started with less than $500 and had never detailed a car before. The people who succeed fast aren't just more skilled, they just avoid mistakes everyone else makes. Here are 5 reasons why I made the switch and why car detailing works when most side hustles don't. Reason number 1, low barrier to entry versus high income earning potential. Most businesses like construction or software, or in general any service company, a restaurant, a brick and mortar location, they usually require hundreds of thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars worth of investment. If you're building software, you need big developer teams. If you're building a construction company, you need big trucks, heavy machinery, you need a lot of labor. If you're starting a restaurant, you need to invest in the actual physical location. It requires a lot of money. Those businesses are higher barrier to entry because you need to take out a loan for significant amounts of money, or what is significant to most people, to actually start. To play the game of detailing, you don't. I've helped people start with equipment ranging from $500 to $1,000, and we've turned that into a multi-6-figure business. I started myself with $500 in basic equipment. When my friends were spending $50,000 to $100,000 on college degrees, or they were trying to start, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 businesses like food trucks, I was making more money within 90 days of having a real system than most people would when they graduated college and got a job. The math is super simple. 3 details a day at $200 each equals $12,000 to $18,000 a month in earning potential. Unlike other businesses, you can start a car detailing business this weekend and you can have clients by next week. The biggest thing is when you start any business, there's a thing called TAM. TAM is total addressable market. That's how many people who can actually buy the product or service you sell. Something like car detailing is such mass market that literally anybody can be a potential customer. In order for someone to be a client, they need to have a car. In America, the ratio of people to cars is 1 to 0.8, meaning for every 1 person, there's 0.8 cars. So every 100 people, there's 80 cars. So almost everyone has a car. On top of that as well, nobody likes cleaning their car. Everybody hates it. So most people have a car and it's a mass market problem. So it's actually very easy to get clients if you know how to market, which is the caveat, which learning how to market takes years. You're not trying to sell a niche software product to a specific type of business where you're trying to explain to them why I can help them. It's very easy to understand your service. You clean, you help people with the maintenance and cleaning of their car and upkeep of their car. It's very easy to understand. Now you just have to be able to get that point across clearly. The second reason was I went all in on my car detailing business was I control my schedule and my income. When you work a job, you are always trading your time for money. With the business, I can leverage things. So I can leverage marketing, or I can leverage other people so I can get more out per time. The people who make a lot of money, they don't have more time than you. They just get more out per unit of time. They have people working for them. They have leverage going for them, right? The car detailing business, it's a mass market business with a low barrier to entry. And since it's a business, I can apply leverage. I can make more than I would at a job. The third reason is it's recession proof. The biggest thing you gotta remember is that car detailing isn't going anywhere. Cars are never going away. AI is not gonna clean my car. People wanting to keep their stuff clean is never going away. People hating cleaning themselves is also never going away. So if you're watching this thinking, okay, Ryan, this sounds great, but how do I actually get clients? How do I actually get car detailing customers? I've got you covered. I've put together a complete system that guarantees you 5 jobs in 5 days. And you can try it completely free. All the details are in the first link in the description below. The fourth reason is you can scale without tons of infrastructure. Most businesses require warehouses or logistics, or you got to get a supplier in China, or you need tons of big trucks and machines and equipment, right? We helped Drew with Northwoods Mobile Detailing go to $70,000 a month, and we helped him scale from 1 person to 6 mobile units on his team. And all mobile units, he didn't have to put up tons of capital. All he did was he made the investment to work with us with our marketing system. He would hire people and just tell them, hey, here's a job description. You're going to use your own vehicle, teach them how to detail, which is cleaning. It's not that hard. And they would put the equipment in their own vehicle, in the back of their sedans or SUVs, whatever they had. And without having to go spend hundreds of thousands of dollars buying big heavy trucks or machines or big rigs, he was able to scale, and cash flow be very profitable quickly, which is how a business should work if you're smart. It's the exact model I teach with the people we work with. So each new employee can generate you about $8,000 to $12,000 a month, and you can just have them use their own vehicle. You can put a $500 to $1,000 set of equipment in their car, or you can just make them buy it as well, and that's it. And the last thing is marketing actually works in car detailing. Most people think detailing is getting saturated, which it is. It's getting saturated by people who don't know how to market. The biggest difference between successful detailers and the ones that struggle with sub $10,000 a month is not how good you are at detailing, it's how well you know how to market. And that's the biggest shift most detailers fail to make, especially when they're starting out. Customer really doesn't care what products, tools, chemicals you use. They care, can you do a good job where they're happy? If you can do that, after that, it's literally all just a marketing game. What makes successful detailers is having the right client acquisition system. So if you're tired of making someone else rich and you want to actually dive in full-time into your car detailing business, the simplest answer for why you can't go full-time, or you can't go full-time as quick as you want, or it's not happening as fast as you want, is just money. You're not making enough money. How you make money is someone has to give it to you. So in order for someone to willingly give you money, you have to convince them, which is marketing and sales. Marketing is making your business known. That's letting people know about your car detailing business to get them to contact you. Business cards, flyers, if you go door to door, you're like, hey, I'm detailing, right? Have you seen us in the neighborhood, whatever it may be. And sales is when they reach out to you, how you actually convert them into a client, how good you are at closing the sale. These skills take years to learn. You can either go spend the next 3 to 5 years figuring it out, or you can just implement what's already proven to work for 200 plus other detailers and get there in a few weeks. I just showed you the few reasons why I made the switch. But here's the truth, none of it matters if you can't get customers consistently. The real difference between detailers stuck at $2,000 a month and those stuck at $27,000 a month isn't skill or equipment. It's having a system that brings customers to you. If you want me to personally set that up for you, click the first link in the description below. We'll run the same system that got me to $27,000 a month in just 3 months and guarantee you 5 book jobs in your first 5 days, or we'll reimburse your ad spend. And if you want to see why this matters more than ever, watch this video next, where I explain why Facebook ads will make or break car detailers in 2026.